Hi, let's look at the differences between start and begin. First of all, both start and begin are verbs that indicate the initiation of some event or process or an action. Start by itself can be used in various contexts, such as starting an engine, starting a conversation, starting a project. It is generally associated with a less formal or casual beginning. Begin can be used interchangeably with start in many cases, but it often suggests a more intentional, planned, or formal beginning. It is commonly used in more structured or organized contexts. Example sentences would be: we will begin the presentation shortly. She began her career as a teacher. The concert will begin at 7 p.m. So there is some intention, some plan in these sentences. Some other examples of the verb start where using begin would sound slightly weird are start a fire, start a revolution, start a rumor, start a relationship, start a countdown. As you see, we cannot really use the verb begin in these sentences.